Product description: Horizon Drone X40 PRO. Elevate your aerial videography and photography with the Horizon Drone X40 PRO. A state-of-the-art GPS-enabled foldable quadcopter that combines high-fidelity 4K imagery, dual camera flexibility, and smart flight technology in a sleek and robust design. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, an urban explorer, or a tech enthusiast pushing boundaries, the X40 PRO is engineered to deliver unmatched performance and breathtaking visuals from the sky. Key features and capabilities: movie camera, dual 4K HD camera system. Equipped with dual 4K HD cameras, the X40 PRO gives you both a forward, main, lens and a downward or auxiliary lens. The front camera captures wide, cinematic footage, ideal for landscapes, action, or sweeping aerial panoramas, while the secondary camera adds dimension, perspective, and stability during hover or complex maneuvers. GPS Plus Smart Positioning. Highly accurate GPS navigation system ensures precise flight paths, reliable return to home, RTH functionality, and stable hovering. Coupled with optical flow, downward positioning, the drone can maintain position even without GPS, indoors or when satellites are obstructed, giving you versatile control in various environments. 5G Wi-Fi plus real-time FPV display. Experience low latency, high-definition video feed through 5G Wi-Fi FPV directly to the integrated screen display or via your smartphone. This lets you see what the drone sees in real time with clarity, making it easier to compose shots, fly safely, and react quickly to what's unfolding in the frame. Foldable and portable design. The X40 PRO is built to travel with you. Foldable arms reduce its footprint dramatically for transport, making it easy to carry to remote shoots or urban rooftops. Despite its compact form when folded, its structure is designed for airflow, strength, and durability. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and safety features. Fly with confidence thanks to comprehensive obstacle detection sensors around the drone, front, rear, sides, possibly top, bottom. These sensors can either slow or stop the drone when an object enters the danger zone, helping preserve both your gear and your subject. Add to that smart flight modes like Follow Me, tracking, drone follows you, waypoint, route flight, draw your path and let the drone fly automatically, orbit, circle around points of interest, one key takeoff, landing, smooth, automated start, stop, return to home in case of low battery or signal loss, 3 o'clock flight time and range. Powered by high-capacity batteries and efficient motors, the Horizon Drone X40 PRO offers solid flight durations, typically up to approximately 20 to 25 minutes depending on usage and conditions. With the 5G Wi-Fi, FPV range and GPS assistance, expect reliable control and video transmission over significant distances. Though actual performance will depend on environmental factors, signal interference, wind, etc. Additional advantages: multiple flight speed modes, low, medium, high, for different scenarios, beginners right-pointing arrow advanced. Adjustable camera tilt via remote controller, letting you frame your shots without physically adjusting the drone. Strong build materials. Reinforced plastics or composites that balance weight and durability. LED lighting for visibility, especially in low light or dusk flights. Compact package. Controller plus drone plus spare props plus charger, etc. for plug-and-play readiness. What to know: practical limitations. Actual flight time can be reduced under strong wind, when using high-resolution video, or when flying aggressively. Obstacle detection works best in good lighting. Effectiveness may drop in low light, fog, or when objects are highly reflective or absorbing. 5G Wi-Fi FPV can suffer from interference or signal drop in densely populated or obstructed areas. Payload, e.g., accessories attached, can affect lift, maneuverability, and battery life. Legal regulations. Depending on the country, weight, flight altitude, and areas of operation may require permits or registration. Technical specs: typical, expected. Camera resolution 4K HD, dual camera setup, flight modes GPS, optical flow, follow me, waypoint, orbit, return to home, etc. Obstacle avoidance: omnidirectional, multi-side sensors, FPV transmission, 5G Wi-Fi, real-time video feed to controller, screen. Controller, display, integrated screen display, size varies. Battery high-capacity LiPo, Li-ion battery, approximately 20 to 25 minutes under ideal conditions. Build foldable arms, brushless motors, durable body materials. Weight moderate, ensure if under legal thresholds, e.g. 250-gram limits, portability compact when folded. Full features available in flight.